Tell me of Cranogwen, said the sea to the shore. Dywed, beth oedd ei chyfrinach?
She was brave, came the reply, softer than a crab shifting on sand. Merch y graig, gonest, garw cryf oedd hi. My bones remember her steps. Penderfynoldeb eich amau, so certain, so assured. Unafraid of moulding new paths through my sands, my fields, they still hum her harmonies, playful as the wind. A deimlu di ei halaw yn ymestyn dros fy nhreithau, I geiriau, gloiw, gynt yn adlewyrchu ar fy nghreigiau.
Ah, yes, my seaweed, my rocks, recall her voice well. Yma bu barddoniaeth mewn heli, praising the daily works of women and girls. Gwireddu gobeithion till her song reached the gulls soaring overhead. They carried her words across the sea, ei brawddegau a deithiant to shores of far away and future. Merch dolgoi fach, hwyliodd ymhell gan hau heilioni, ac yn hesrwydd Ceredigion yn llenwi ei chalon.
Oh, Cranogwen, they cried when offering her the helm, carved of memory, ritual soaking into wood. Hi yn ei holl hynodroedd sy'n parhau I anadlu bywyd yn y pridd. Her words still echo through the trees as they tell saplings the adventures of a woman who would not waver.
She read my waters, darllenodd pob deigryn a gwau y dafedd arian rhwng atgof ac atgof. Hearing the whispers of the stars, at night I sent soothing waves, tonau hen hen. Si heiluli mabi, gently rocking her into dreams of the deep. Secrets I shared as she slept, and Cranogwen woke with my sighs on her tongue. Now I keep her, our sweet Sarah, beloved of sea and shore, yn un ar tir a'i carodd, her life a glimmering dream, mewn urddas.
Gorffwysa in my earthen embrace, daiar a blodau, root and seed, kissing her bones.